morning!
I hate mornings.
We're Jen and Steve-O from Two Can Travel.
If you're new here, please like and subscribe. We'll be giving you all sorts of really cool stuff all the time, so get used to that.
Today we're going to Obor Market. It is one of the oldest, most iconic markets in Bucharest. We're very excited.
But first, we're gonna get some coffee.
Yes, coffee. So let's get going.
Bye.
We're taking the metro. That didn't work.
Alright, now we're at Universitate. We're gonna go find this coffee place. The internet says it's hard to find, but we're smart. We'll be able to do it. I hope.
Across under the ground. Now, come over here.
First coffee, we found it. I'm not saying we're geniuses, but we're geniuses. These cups have no handles. I don't know how we'll handle it.
That's really good. Got the flat white. So why are we going to Obor Market today?
Obor Market has been around for 300 years in some form or another. It was outside the city limits of Bucharest. So the local farm folk would come in to sell their wares, produce, meats, various cheeses. The 18th century was a very popular place for public hangings, so we're gonna go hang out.
Getting tickets?
Huh?
Getting tickets?
All right. Apparently, one ticket is good for 2 people. The lady got really mad at us because we didn't understand, so hopefully that's good. Let's find out.
We're on this light rail train. We're heading to Obor Market now. This is train number 21.
We just got off the light rail, so now we're going to walk over to Obor Market. Going to get our steps in.
Who's this guy? Stefan Stefan. Alright, I'm sure I said that wrong. I'll have to look him up. Just look this dude up. He is Stefan the Great. And he was murdered. He was some kind of leader of Moldavia. We're just in the park really close to Obor Market, and it was a quick walk to get here from the light rail. Fun fact.
In the 70s, they tore down the old market. They used to span 16 city blocks, and they tore it down to build 2 halls where the market is now, a housing project, and this park. Thank you, communism.
But this is a really nice park, and it's super close to the market. Our inspiration to even do this video was this blogger who is also a journalist, Wanderlush, and she has a lot of good information, so this is her article if you want to check it out and get more info before you come to the park and the market. A lot of people with bags, so I feel like they're heading to a market. Just follow these people. Feels like the right way. And we got more coffee because it was here and we wanted a place to sit and eat our breakfast. I got a cappuccino, Steve-O got a...
I got a frappe because I am basic.
So this is like a cheese raisin pastry.
If I die,
Why would you die?
I've always loved you. It's good.
Is it sweet?
Yep, so it is sweet cheese, but kind of a little sour.
That's really good. A little sour, but sweet. I like it.
So here we could buy household items and clothes, and there's a couple of meat places around here and a lot of cookies.
Yeah, a lot of cookies. Price of Susan's has gone up. So where we just were for breakfast and coffee, I think that was like another building, part of the market, maybe just more like the household good stuff, but now I think we found the right place.
So here we've got a lot of fresh produce and a lot of really cool stuff. So let's see what we can find.
It's got some braided garlic. It looks so cool. So they're weighing.
How are we doing?
I trust her. Okay. I think that's 30.
Let's find out.
Oh wow.
Oh, we were way up.
Oh, it's 13 lei.
13. All right.
Okay.
Mulțumesc.
Got some of this. I asked if it was spinach and she said kind of. What the heck? That was 13 lei for all this. Oh, and we got spinach. So 15 lei for all these vegetables. What? So many good berries. I'm definitely gonna get some raspberries, maybe some blackberries. Wow. Oh my god, 15 lei for so many berries. That I'm in heaven right now.
So now we're upstairs, and it's like a full-on mall.
So much meat.
Ooh.
Put some pepper on it. That's actually really nice. Not too salty, but really thick and chewy, really meaty. And that's got a lot of fat. Okay. That's like bacon, but with like no salt.
There's meat, folks. Come and get them.
Oh, that's really good. She recommended this one here. It's the Naturale. I'm not going to pretend I know how to pronounce that. I've been wanting to get olives. Yeah. Thank you, Ultimate. Thank you.
Yes.
All right, got olives. This is fun. All right, let's get some cheese. We read we want to get Ptolemea, but they all are called that.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, it's very salty. Like very salty. Maybe too salty.
Thank you. Cheese. That's good.
That's like feta, right?
That's like feta.
Which one is this? The oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we know what that means. Very good cheese. Very good cheese.
We're in the Home Improvement Center.
You can get a shower with a seat.
Oh, that's fancy.
This is from the future.
This is amazing.
I'm going to travel through time.
Don't go in there. So this must be like the Home Depot section. All right, I think we just found the coolest thing of the day. This unicorn. Steve-o, come check this out. Unicorn pool floaty. It's only 80 lei. It's like 20 bucks.
That's good too.
Dog statues.
We can get these as gifts for people we don't like. Now we're back down here. We're gonna go find some lunch. We're gonna eat some michi. Michi?
I think Michi, yeah.
Michi? Michi.
We're gonna go to this Terrassa Obor over here. Great. That's a lot of meat. Got the michi and the mustard, some bread. I think I'm gonna put it in this bread, like hot dog style.
Ooh,
I don't know
yeah.
if you're supposed to do that, but probably, right? No one's gonna stop me.
Anything is a hot dog if you believe in yourself.
That's gonna be good.
Oh, dirty. Is that worth it?
Oh,
Yeah, the move.
that's the move.
It's like a baseball game.
Yeah?
Yeah,
It does look like a hot dog.
yeah, it's a hot dog.
Cool. Glad we came here. This is really good. Get food. And it's right outside the market. You can see the building behind us.
Yeah.
So really easy to come to before or after shopping. And this just looks like more market, but outside. Wow, this place is huge. This is so cool. Definitely recommend coming to Obor Market. And this is a Monday, so I can only imagine the weekend. So Obor Market is these two halls here and over there. This is the side with all of the produce, and that was more like the home goods. Steve-o saw a Slurpee machine.
I'm getting a Slurpee.
As you should.
Lemonade Slurpee.
How is it?
It's sweet. Oh, actually, it's not that sweet. It's like a lemonade Slurpee. You never know what you're gonna get.
All right, so now we're heading back to where the metro is, and we'll take the metro back home.
We got a brain freeze.
There's the metro stop if you want to take the metro to Obor Market. Also super convenient. We'll get the metro home and then we'll get home and we can show you our haul. Pretty good.
Now we're back. We made a baby friend.
We
took
did.
the metro and now we're back home. We're gonna check out our haul. And now, completing our hero's journey, we return to our original starting point, yet changed. We made it. Now we've got soda water.
I think we did good. Okay, let's see what we got.
Here's our bounty. Everybody was so nice.
Everyone was so friendly and nice. Yeah, it was a fun day. So if you're looking for a good kind of half-day adventure, definitely would recommend heading to Obor Market. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content about traveling around Romania and other places that we'll be doing.
We don't know either.
We'll keep you posted.
Yeah.
But thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
The sweetest lady just, I don't know if you can still see her. Oh, that car just went by, but she just came up to us and said we were beautiful in Romanian. She's just there walking, that lady. But
She loves
was
us.
so sweet. She just came up to us and said we were beautiful. I think that's the only word I understood. It was so nice. That was just lovely. What a sweetheart.